Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you my small haul from my vacation in February. So I went to Orlando, Florida in the middle of February, and it was planned by my friend's husband. When he asked her what she wanted for Christmas, she said she wanted to go on a vacation with me. So he made it happen, and I am so grateful for him and for my friend. I've known this friend for years. We met when we both joined the Army National Guard. I was in I think a full year before she joined, and we were in the same unit, and we've been friends ever since. But now we both live in different states, so this was the perfect getaway for us to get caught up. So I did not do a lot of vlogging. I think I got the airport or a little bit of film from the plane, and I filmed in the Florida Mall in a store called Maniso. I had never heard of this store, and it had some really neat items in it. So I did get a little footage in that store. But for the most part, I just wanted to spend time with my friend. We end up going to Walmart also. But for now, let's get into the haul, guys. So, guys, here's some footage of us taking off from Atlanta. And I didn't get any footage of us flying out of Tennessee because it was too early and I was just tired. But this is leaving out of Atlanta, Georgia, and you can see it was gloomy. When we got to Orlando, it rained nonstop the first day and a half that we were there. But the sun finally came out and we had a really nice time no matter what. And I don't remember what store this is in, but I noticed the mannequins all had these posable fingers. I know this one is in the Gucci store. These were wooden mannequins. And I was just thinking, I wish Barbie dolls had posable fingers. I thought they were really neat. And this is the store Maniso. I'd never heard of this store. It was in the Mall of Florida or the Florida Mall. And I just thought it was a cute store. It had a Barbie section. And I think these are erasers. And I didn't get an eraser. I should have at least gotten an eraser, but I put it back. And there's just all these little cute Barbie things. And this store had a lot of fun characters. Like you see Hello Kitty. There was, I think, Care Bears. There's Snoopy. And I think I get a picture of some of the characters on the wall. And all of these characters, they had the matching merchandise to go along with those. So yeah, so you see along the wall there. And the prices on some of the items were just too much for me. I couldn't rationalize spending that much money on some of those items, but it was a really neat store. And it had all of these tumblers for each character, and they were kind of pricey for me. We went to the Mall of Florida, it's either the Mall of Florida or the Florida Mall. I can't remember exactly. But inside the mall, there was a Macy's, and inside the Macy's was a Toys R Us. So I got so excited, but the prices quickly made that excitement go away. But I did find this Barbie extra mini, and she was on clearance for $2.76, and I got two of her. So here she is out of the box. She's really cute. I love her little face with her eye makeup. And she has these large purple cat eye glasses on her head. And her hair is almost like a burgundy or maroon color. It's really soft and it's pulled into a ponytail. And she has these large gold hoop earrings. I did try to remove the earrings and they will not come off. So you would have to snip them if you want to remove the earrings. And her dress is red with ruffles at the top and bottom and little pink lips on it. And she also has a pink bow purse. And she comes with white tennis shoes. And mine has a little bit of a defect on it. You can see a piece of plastic right here that I guess they forgot to snip off in the factory. She also comes with a little stand, and it says Barbie Extra Mini Minis. So here she is on the stand. And I wonder how tall she is compared to my mini Barbie over on the shelf. So the Barbie in the swimsuit is from the toy line The World's Smallest. And she is not that much shorter than the extra mini mini. So we had to go to Walmart one night while we're in Florida because Walmart has everything. And while we were there, I checked their clearance section, and this fresh doll was $3.50. That is a really good deal because he has decent articulation. And I need a male body with darker skin for some of the dolls that I want to purchase in the future. And it's hard to find made to move bodies for Ken in the darker skin tone. So I got two of him, and I've already reviewed this doll in a past video, so I'll link that below. But for now, I'm going to leave him in the box until I find a Ken that I want. And I think I know the one that will match his skin tone. I just have to find him in stores or order him from Amazon. Also from Walmart for $3.50, I got this Latinista doll. This is another doll that in my area, she's still full price. So I snatched her up as soon as I saw that $3.50. And I basically wanted her clothes, guys. So let's open her up. Here she is out of the box, and she is a basic doll. She just has movement at the head. She can go back and forth, up and down a little bit. Well, more than I thought. And she moves at the shoulder and at the hip, and that is it. So this doll has brown hair, and I think her hair is really pretty. It has highlights, and I didn't have to do a lot to it out of the packaging. It's soft. The only thing I don't like about the hair is the way it's styled. It kind of drapes over or casts a shadow over her face. And I think that would be kind of difficult when I'm filming. Like if I wanted to light her from the side, you see how there's a shadow from her hair. So I'll probably restyle the hair because I do like her face. I think she's really pretty. I like her lips and the color lipstick that she has. And her eye makeup is pretty natural. And her earrings do come out. So they are gold earrings with the Latinista logo on the inside. So she comes with this orange long sleeve crop top, and it has an asymmetrical collar here, and it says Latinistas across the front. And I like the style of the shirt, and it does Velcro in the back. So really nice, kind of a stretchy material. So this might be able to fit on a curvy. So she comes with these orange pants, and I really like the pants. I like the wide waistband, and they have this little pocket on the side with the Latinista logo. The pocket is faux, so the flap moves, but it's not a real pocket. And the bottom of the pants have this elastic, so it can stretch to get the doll's foot in and out. And the pants do Velcro on the back. And she comes with these really cute orange wedge heels. And there's the Latinista logo. And you can see there is kind of a pattern on the shoes. And I think these might be a little too big for Barbie, but we'll try them on and see. And she does come with a pink purse. It has a long strap, and it's almost like a quilted pattern on it. Here's the outfit on Tanya, and she is a classic made to move Barbie. And I was surprised that the pants were not too big in the waist. They actually fit really well. The shirt is a tad too big, but you can't tell too much because the Latinista had a larger bust than what Tanya has. But I think it looks good. And I really am excited about these pants. Hopefully I can get the Latinista logo off the side. I've seen people get the natural Lisa logos off of the clothes. So I'm hoping it's the same with this outfit. I was able to get the shirt on a curvy Barbie. I could not get the pants on. And the shirt fits pretty good. I thought it was going to be a little snug, but it actually worked out okay. And the shoes were also too big for the curvy. So the letters on the shirt were pretty easy to scratch off with my fingernail, and you can still see a little bit of the residue left on there from the glue. So I'm going to try a cold water rinse with some light detergent and see if that helps. But on the side of the pants, it's really hard to get this L off. So you can see more of the residue left on that. So what I think I'm going to do is just continue taking the L off. The heart just didn't seem to want to come off at all. So I'll probably just leave the heart and just take the L off. So my friends, let me know what you think about my mini haul. And if you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye bye.